Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Changing your shot meter in NBA 2K25 is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your gameplay experience. From the main menu, you'll want to look for the Features or Options tab, usually located at the bottom or side of the screen. This section is your central hub for all game-wide settings and customizations. Accessing this specific area is key to making system-level changes to your game. So, let's dive right in. Once you're in the Features or Options menu, your next step is to locate controller settings. This crucial menu holds all the personalized adjustments for how your controller interacts with the game. It's where you can fine-tune everything from vibration feedback to shot timing cues. Take a moment to find this specific selection. It's the gateway to customizing your shot meter exactly how you like it. Now that you're in controller settings, scroll through the list of options until you see shot meter. This is the direct setting you're looking for to make your desired changes. Here, you'll have the primary choice to turn your shot meter on or off. Many players opt to turn it off for a more immersive feel, relying on player animations instead. This choice truly comes down to your personal playstyle and comfort level in the game. If you decide to keep your shot meter on, you'll notice a new option becomes available: Shot Meter Style. This exciting feature lets you choose from various visual appearances for your meter, such as side, underplayer, or even a wide display. Each style offers a distinct visual cue, so take your time to browse them. Finding the perfect style can significantly enhance your shooting consistency and confidence on the court. Once you've made your final decisions on the shot meter and its style, don't forget the crucial last step: saving your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button, usually at the bottom of the screen, to confirm your selections. With your new meter set, I highly recommend jumping into a quick practice session or your My Court. This allows you to immediately feel the changes and ensure they align with your shooting rhythm. Enjoy your customized NBA 2K25 experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.